guys, welcome back to my channel, and it's dinner time again in Scotland. And today we're making oven baked chicken strip with honey and mustard. Okay, here's the ingredients. 4 pieces of chicken breast. You have to cut it into strips. 100 grams of breadcrumbs, a handful of parsley, 1 tablespoon of mustard, a quarter teaspoon of salt, and a quarter teaspoon of ground white pepper. And here's our 2 eggs beaten, and let's start cooking. Now the first thing that we're gonna do is we have to put our ingredients in the big bowl. Just mix it together. Our dry ingredients. Yeah, not too like shaky hand because our viewers are gonna have next thing one that we're gonna do, guys, we have to dip our chicken one by one in the egg. Although to make it quicker, you can add, not literally one by one, you can add eggs in here or add chicken in this egg mixture. Okay, just like soak the egg a little bit, and then you put it here, put it in this dry ingredients, like that. Now let's put the lid on and give it a good shake. And that's our chicken coated, and then we put it in the pan. Our coated chicken, guys, in the pan, and don't forget to wash your hands before holding the meat. My hands are clean, guys. You might put a little bit of oil or grease in your pan so that to avoid sticking out the chicken. So here's our chicken strip, guys. It's ready for the oven, and we already preheated our oven ahead of time. Temperature is 200, and you have to put it for 20 minutes, and you have to turn the chicken halfway. Turn the chicken in 10 minutes. Now let's make our honey mayonnaise mustard dip for our chicken. Here is 2 pieces of lime juice, 2 pieces of lime juice, and let's put 100 ml of mayonnaise. And then we need a teaspoon of Dijon mustard. It gives color for our sauce, and a teaspoon of whole grain mustard for texture.
Is it ready?
Not yet.
Oh,
He's always in the kitchen.
Every time we cook, he comes.
Yeah,
oh,
you can smell. And then a tablespoon of honey.
that's it. I don't want dinner.
Oh, I love honey. And salt and pepper to taste. To mix it, and you can adjust your dips according to your taste. Now here's our sauce, guy, finish. If you find it, if your sauce is too soury, you can add more mayonnaise and honey or whole grain mustard. So you can season your sauce according to your taste. And now it's ready to transfer in our dipping dish. Here's our finished product, guys. Our oven baked chicken strip with mayonnaise and mustard honey dip. Hope you enjoy.